go. Well, I'm guessing this is like my first, video. Finally have the nerve to show my face. Sorry if I scare children. I can tell this isn't gonna last very long. But I guess this is just like a little video for Movie Star Planet, I guess. Finally have the nerve to show my face, and I just want to say JK Square. I'm not going to say her real name, just so she can keep her privacy. Has been my best friend for so long, and she's always got my back, and I've got hers. She's one of the greatest friends I could ever ask for. So, yeah. Sorry. Really sorry if I scared children right here. Just my face is so ugly. Okay. But, really hope you enjoy making fun of me now. Before you ask, I am 11. So, goodbye.